Alright, so I was hoping this box would have been here last week for the unboxing, but it wasn't. So, we're just going to do another unboxing. I feel like I'm becoming an unboxing channel at this point, but Jesse from HC Aqua had some koi guppies on his get kills, and I was like, ooh, can I get some of those? So he was nice enough to send me some. So these guys come all the way from Hawaii, so hopefully they made the trip okay. Nice thick styrofoam here. Got a little letter. Nice insulated box here. Okay, we got one live fishy. That's good. How cool those guys look. I don't know, I just saw them and thought they looked really cool. So we got one fish that's alive, put him right there. And should be the female. Female is alive. I think this is the female, if I had to guess. But yeah, she's alive too. So, the tank these guys are supposed to go in, unfortunately, for some reason it's one of my tanks that refuses to cycle. So we're gonna put them in a different tank for the time being. But I'm glad they both survived, because I was worried that with the heat and everything they might not. I just shipped my first fish and they're already delayed, so I'm hoping that they make it. So here we got a little letter here with a sticker, so that's cool. Thank you very much, Jesse, for these. These guys will probably get put in either the sorority tank, or I'll put them in the community tank in the breeder box for a little bit until their tank is ready. But yeah, I'll get these guys floating and show you what they look like. So I did decide to float these guys in the community tank. I'm going to keep this breeder box here because I do want to be able to separate them. And, you know, I don't want to have to fight with my net and this tank because it is the planted tank, so I don't have to fight with it. I can probably put the lid down fine in there. And then this is the Adore Aquarium Lily and the co-op here that I got in one of the unboxings and did a video on a couple weeks ago. It's doing pretty good. I almost want to move it, but at the same time I'm not going to. So I think what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to move the moss ball in this corner. Move him and put it over here so there's a little more over here. But yeah, thanks again, Jesse, for those guppies. These are the Serpe Tetras from Roe. Doing nicely in here. They've colored up super well. I'm super happy with them. Everybody's super happy in this tank. No issues. This is that Molly fry that I had randomly. He has grown, or she, I can't really tell at the moment, but they have grown super quick. It's kind of crazy to think they were just teeny tiny a couple weeks ago. About a month ago now. But yeah, this is going to be a short little video. I'm going to have another video coming out tomorrow. That's a full length video for y'all. Probably going to be talking about Project Anabantoid, because that is starting up here in just a short few days. So we'll talk about that more in depth. But yeah, make sure you check out the Project Anabantoid Facebook page. And of course, I'll link Jesse's get kills and everything down below, so make sure you check him out. And just as a quick reminder, I am streaming on Twitch every day, Monday through Thursday, taking Fridays off because that's my stream with Ed at 4 p.m. So if you haven't checked out the stream with Ed, that's every Friday at 4 p.m. We just talk about random stuff. And then I'm back streaming on Twitch on Saturdays, and then I take Sundays off because of schoolwork and I need a day to, relax from everything. But yeah, that's twitch.tv/lefty3213A. I just play some games and stuff over there, so if you want to come check it out, I greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in my other video.